What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, sports cards fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website. Coming in live at 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. This is the September 2012 second chance drawing. The way it works is if you bought a group off of our website in the month of September, you received one free entry for every group that was purchased. This month's prizes are Joe Montana Topps 5-star. That's an on-card auto, and this one is numbered 39 out of 40. Next prize is RG3 Rookie Jumbo Patch. This one numbered 31 out of 75. A little tough to see that with the magnetic case. And then the third prize is a factory sealed 2011 Upper Deck Sweet Spot that comes with 4 mini boxes. Each one of those has an autograph in it. Now the way this works, I'm going to use a random.org. I'm going to randomize the list 5 times, and whoever is on top after the 5th time will win their first choice of the 3 prizes. Whoever's on the second spot gets the second choice, and whoever's third gets the last remaining prize. Now, for full disclosure, we're going to scroll through the entire list just so you can verify that what we're actually using were the names that bought in. So, 1 second while we scroll through that list. And if you're tracking at home, the prizes for October's second chance drawing will be up either later tonight or by tomorrow night. So check back and take a look at what we're going to give away next month. Alright, there is the list of all the entries. Again, we're going to randomize it 5 times, and we'll take a look at who's on top after the 5th randomization. There's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And this is the money click. Here we go, number 5. Alright, first choice is going to Roy O. Second choice, Bill F. And third choice is going to David D. So we'll be contacting the 3 winners, and we'll look to hear back at what prize you want. Thanks again, everybody, and keep buying in the breaks, and we'll keep offering the great prizes every month. Thanks again, everybody.